Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the device ready. Update Roblox and your phone OS, free storage, and close apps to avoid thermal throttling. Once done, enable the developer console in Studio on PC so you can replicate settings. This matters because mobile inherits many runtime limits. Next, transfer a lightweight test place to Roblox Cloud and open it on your phone. Make sure to use a Wi-Fi connection for stability and keep the phone unplugged to observe realistic performance. You now change settings that actually affect visuals and performance. In Studio, adjust rendering quality to around 6 to 8 so models keep detail without killing frame rate. Choose graphics mode automatic for best device handling or compatibility if crashes occur. Use texture compression and reduce large textures to 512 or 256 pixels to cut memory use. Turn off real-time shadows, reduce particle counts, and simplify materials. These changes preserve look while preventing stutters on mobile. Test iteratively after each change. You finish by publishing a build and testing across devices and screen orientations to confirm consistent graphics. Once done, run Micro Profiler and collect device logs to pinpoint bottlenecks. This helps you see GPU, CPU, and memory spikes so you can target fixes. If performance or crashes persist, lower rendering quality or texture resolution, disable complex materials, and enable the compatibility renderer. One key troubleshooting tip: if the game crashes on startup, switch graphics mode to compatibility and retest. Many mobile crashes stem from unsupported shaders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.